If you have some spare money, think about this lighting system. The first option has a 1.5 meter cost of $27. It contains adhesive tape for simple installation and is packaged with 90 LEDs in a flexible rubber enclosure. For practically any kind of vehicle, including trucks and RVs, it's a useful answer. All you need to do is locate a 12-volt power source. The second option, which costs $36, is a little more expensive but comes with 8 separate modules, each with 9 LEDs. The company guarantee a minimum 50,000 hour lifespan and a brightness 5 times higher than other comparable goods. Moreover, 730,000 Ford F-Series were sold worldwide in October 2023. The total number of trucks on the road in the globe is unfathomable. Thankfully, there are a number of improvements available for individuals looking to get the most out of their truck. What if your car could be converted into a dump truck? Sand, soil, broken stone, and other bulk items up to 1.8 tons in weight can be transported for $1,700. This system, which is produced by the Pierce Company, has an edge over rivals. It keeps the car looking like it did from the beginning. It also satisfies the exacting manufacturing requirements set out by the National Truck Equipment Association in the United States. Switzerland devotes more than 5% of its gross domestic product on education. Furthermore, allocating over 3% to research and development. It comes as no surprise that the nation is home to many businesses manufacturing a broad range of products, from automobile accessories to robotics. Switzerland is also where the X-Rack system started. This technology makes it possible to carry construction equipment or waste with a typical pickup vehicle. It is important to note that the welded 355 steel structure can support a weight of no more than 1.2 tons. The remote control allows drivers to regulate loading and unloading, and in the event of a problem, an emergency stop function is included. Trucks such as the Toyota Hilux and Ford Ranger are suitable for mounting the X-Rack. The same vehicle may be utilized for several activities by simply replacing the trash hopper with a loading plug form, all thanks to its modular architecture. If you're not interested in a Cybertruck and this alternative doesn't appeal to you, you might want to look at other of 27 North's offerings. This manufacturer specializes on producing Ascender-style RVs. The 30A variant has a kitchen, a shower room, a double bed, a full-sized fridge, heating, and 1,200-watt solar panels. It is based on a Ford F550 with 4-wheel drive and other improvements. On the other hand, the Ascender starts at a minimum of $750,000. Larger vehicles require larger improvements. Introducing yourself to the SidePuller. It pulls effortlessly and may be operated by one person. Everything from passenger automobiles to enormous shipping containers may be flipped and loaded. Approximately 9 tons may be pulled using the winch, depending on the type. SidePuller is also remotely operated, just like the previously stated Swiss method. The driver is not required to arrive at the designated location. They are able to move diagonally from the sides, even from behind. Even in the absence of stabilizing legs, the powers of SidePullers are astounding. Ground clearance is eliminated by the redesigned legs. It's important to remember that this equipment, which costs $36,000, is only intended for professional usage. Notable products made by Tramontina include garbage cans, furniture, appliances, and pots. Let's now have a look at their tool organizers, which are designed to make driving more convenient. To minimize rattling, the typical 1-meter wide model has 5 locked drawers that provide around 3 square meters of room for tools, accessories, and replacement components. The vibra-stop mechanism was included by the designers, which successfully reduced vibrations. To keep dust out, rubber gaskets have been installed. A 40-kilogram load can be supported by the largest bottom drawer, and 30 kilos can be supported by each of the smaller top drawers. Its inventors assert that it is the ideal remedy for farmers. Ford has compared his newest Ranger to a Swiss Army knife and called it the most adaptable truck ever. Ford's Australian branch created the Flexible Rac system, which is one of the car's unique characteristics. Australians are knowledgeable about freight transportation, as anybody who has watched the television program Outback Truckers will confirm. The FRS was also customized to accommodate client needs. The end product is a roof-mounted system with a dynamic load capacity of up to 80 kg and a static load capacity of up to 250 kg. The FRS part that slides above the platform makes it easy to move even long objects like canoes, planks, and ladders. Ford has filed for a patent on it because it's so popular. There are a lot of pickup truck containers available, but most of them are not particularly convenient to get to. Why not design containers that are delivered to their owners? That's precisely what the Boxem Systems designers did. They were successful, and they showcased their creative design and impending patents. One person can install the system, which has an intriguing design. A maximum weight of 122 kilos may be handled by it. The waterproof containers can travel 12 seconds from one end of the platform to the other. Boxem partly disassembles for easy transportation of items such as quads. It's important to remember that the system is mostly meant to be used with containers. It's not designed to be used as a temporary crane. Also, placing a pre-order for Boxem will cost you $100. Here are a few other choices for shipping freight. The DewEze Industries one is the first one. It comes in useful while driving a Ford F350 with a forklift. A trailer with a low center of gravity and a hydraulic lift may be operated by one person. About 5 tons make up the forklift in the video. The cost of DewEze Industries' more sophisticated model is around $45,000. A more condensed solution is the second one. Additionally, it costs just $899. This fifth wheel is intended for trailers up to 8 tons in weight. In the event that you need to make room on the platform, dismounting is simple. To evenly distribute the weight between the axles, the unit may be moved along the frame thanks to the rails. Elon Musk intends to convert the Tesla Cybertruck into a watercraft. However, the necessary changes are quite expensive. How was he going to get the money? One possibility is this $2,975 Tesla kit, which converts the Cybertruck into a kind of camper. With the use of a pump, the tent can be quickly set up, and the package comes with poles, an awning, a repair kit, and brackets. Everything folds up neatly to fit in the Cybertruck's trunk, yet when it's extended, it can easily seat many people. Up to 454 kilos of goods may be transported with the regular multi-model, which makes it possible to move bicycles, tents for many people, and boards. The manufacturer's promise that multi will enable your car to reach its maximum potential is not a coincidence. Its usefulness may be increased with convenient add-ons like toolboxes, ladders, and extra fasteners for bicycles or kayaks. Multi fits a range of vehicle types, including the Jeep Gladiator and the Ford Ranger. There is no drilling involved in the simple installation. Additionally, the entry-level multi version costs $1,050 and contains just 3 components. Here's another straightforward yet really useful invention. Stairs that fold for pickup vehicles. The need stems from the fact that many pickups, like the F350, have a height of about 3 meters, which makes it difficult to load and unload, even when the tailgate is open. Easy Hitch step and its little stairs can help with that. The top version has 38 centimeter broad steps and can hold up to 136 kg. It is comfortable. The mini stairs are 626 and are made of steel. Fasteners are included with the purchase. The Apple Macintosh and DewEze Flatbeds were introduced on the market in the same year. By contrast, Ridley Scott made no advertisements for DewEze. Both these platforms and Apple Macs are still in high demand. The manufacturer emphasizes the sustainability and durability of DewEze for heavy agricultural and ranch use, enabling the loading and transporting of products such as bales of hay or sacks of fertilizer. The platform has lighting, a toolbox, and a trailer hitch fitted from the manufacturer. The basic platform has a payload capacity of around 1.4 tons and fits a variety of Dodge, Ford, and Chevrolet vehicles with ease. The cost is around $14,500. The Barricade system is a product of the BattleNet team's dedication to expediting cargo delivery. A special crossbar to stabilize crates, boxes, and other lightweights while in transit. It includes unique nets that are recognized to be the strongest on the market, constructed from materials of military quality. These nets are appropriate for both the roof rack and the cargo bed. The biggest net is 4.6 by 4.6 meters in size. Because of their strength, these nets were used as decorations at Extraction 2's premiere. That is authentic rock and roll, or more precisely roll and wreck. Motorcycles are intended to be moved off-road with this method. As true rock should be, it's simple, fast and rebellious. Many specialists were taken aback by the unusual combination of turnbuckles, brackets and chocks. Yet rack and roll functions brilliantly. You are free to do a variety of tricks without having to worry about the bike coming off. Furthermore, the sports version has a 275 kilogram weight capacity. That should be sufficient for a few enduro bikes or a superbike with really little ground clearance. Rack and roll is simple to operate for one person because of the front wheel lock, which stabilizes the bike while you secure it. The ramp is only available for purchase individually and costs $395, although it does include a lighting kit, which is an added bonus.